Welcome home, friend! This stunning home just hit the market in Live Oak Creek. This like-new home was built in 2020 by Impression Homes. This great one-story floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,800 square feet of living space. And the home backs up to a beautiful green area where you can enjoy quiet afternoons with a view of the pond. Upon entering, you are welcomed with soaring ceilings and wood-look tile in all the main living spaces. The front of the home hosts 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. The owner's suite is nestled in the back of the home for privacy, and it has awesome views of nature in this pristine community. The living room and kitchen are huge, and you'll enjoy the holidays with guests in these spaces. There's plenty of room for counter space and storage. There's a dedicated laundry room and a mudroom as bonus features. During the summer, entertain in style by the back patio or relax in the resort-style pools and amenity center. Don't miss out on this home, so take advantage of quiet country living and still be nearby all city amenities. Located in the highly coveted White Settlement ISD, this home is zoned for North Elementary School, Tannehill Middle School, and Brewer High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.